Hello friends, I am Kamlesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Bihani Group of Colleges. Today I am deliver my lecture on the conditional operator in C language, behalf of Guru KPO. First of all, we have to using the conditional operator in languages. The conditional operator, basically we have used covered the conditional operator like this. We have to use conditional operator replace of if else statement, and we have different kind of task. We have to follow the conditional operator. First of all, we have to use operands with the conditional operator. For example, find the largest among two numbers. We have to, first of all, we have to make decision making tree. A is greater than B. If it is true, then A. It is false, then B. When we have to use conditional operator, I am only using statement. I am not writing proper way of program, but I am telling how the conditional operator is used in the format. For example, we have to find largest among three numbers. So we have to use conditional operator. First of all, we have max. We can use max or large, both first, but we are using max. Max equal to A is greater than B, A colon B. This is the use of conditional operator. It connect those operands, those equations communicate with each other and perform the task. True, first of all, it works on true. If true is executed, then it works on else. It gives answer A and B, both are. When we are execute program and we are giving values to A and B, then it will be work performed. Like this, we have used in another way also. For example, we have to use even odd numbers. We have to find even and odd numbers in using conditional operator. So we have using n modulus by 2. Number is even and number is odd, for example, and we are using conditional operator, true and false. Now we have to we have used n modulus 2, even number colon odd number. We are using this format. Now basically we have used conditional operator to solve our task, replacement of else if else. If else is also the same method we have to use in our programs and any task to solve our tasks. Now we have used different kind of operators in our languages. Operators that help to perform our task. Operators, basically different kind of operators are available. Arithmetic operator, conditional operator, assignment operator. There are different kinds of operators are available in C language. Basically we have used all of these, but we have used increment operator and decrement operator. But when we are using operators A plus B, this is operator, and A and B, these are operands. When we are using operator, there is required two operands, and it is generally we have to solve our task, arithmetic, logical, comparison. These operators are using with this format. In increment and decrement, we have to use a operand and operator like this. Now we will discuss about looping in C language. Looping, it means looping. Basically we have to use loop when we have to solve a task, so that equation we have to put in loop, and it will be iterate regularly and solve our task. Basically we have 4 kind of loops: for loop, while loop, do while loop, and nested loop. For loop is the main loop of the looping part in languages. For loop, while loop, do while loop, and nested loop, it means a loop which we have to use different loops in loop. Looping, it means nested, it means do loop, or for loop. For, it means for we have to using for loop. Just we are using different loops in a loop. For according to requirement we have to using these loops in our programs. In for loop there are 3 parts: for loop, initialize expression, update expression, and text expression. These are the 3 parts, and statements, and then get ch close. These are and while loop, same things are used in for loop, while loop, and do while loop. And nested is the different part, and it is sorry, it is used for doing different tasks in different ways. We have to using in while loop, sorry, nested loop. Nested loop is the different loop. Thank you so much.